Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to customize your iOS 18 home screen. Customizing your iOS 18 home screen has never been more amazing and more fun since the new update. So I got my hands on the iOS 18 when it was already first released in the public beta. So you can customize your iOS 18 home screen by going to edit right here and then customizing. So from here you have your small and large icons. I prefer the large ones, of course. You can do light, dark, automatic, of course. So I prefer the dark one, and there's a new one where you can go tinted. So right here you can do a hue of your choice right here. So to follow the hue, it comes with apps that even widgets, it works on that too, but I prefer not to use this because others looks really weird. But if you have a theme in your phone that maybe match this, so such as this, maybe it would match right here, but it's kind of bland, so I don't want to do that. So you can customize again and just go dark right here, or tinted. I want to go dark with large icons, it makes more sense. Now you can also put your widgets anywhere in the screen, so it doesn't have to magnet to a single position where you want it to be. So you can place it right here, and there you go. That is how you customize your iOS 18 home screen, which is pretty cool. So you can also go right here and check out my control center if you want to, as you can see right there. Pretty cool, right? So here you can long press, customize, home screen. You can put on some color, some gradient, or just the wallpaper itself, and even blur it, just like the usual. So there. You can also customize your lock screen, and now you can change up your buttons with this. You can place calculator if you want to. If you have the iPhone 16, maybe you can just remove that because you already have a dedicated control for camera. So there you go. I prefer to go with camera still because I am not on my iPhone 16. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.